Imagine a team of superheroes without capes. One ensures every child learns, another fights diseases, and another protects the planet. Together, they are known as the United Nations. Every year on October 24th, the world celebrates United Nations Day, marking the day this real-life team officially came together in 1945. Born from the devastation of World War II, the UN was founded by 51 nations, including India, to prevent future wars and promote peace. Today, with 193 member countries, it represents almost the entire world, working to maintain peace, protect human rights, and tackle global challenges like climate change and pandemics. Its key initiatives, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the Sustainable Development Goals, aim to end poverty and protect the planet by 2030. India plays a vital role as one of the largest UN peacemaking contributors and through initiatives such as the International Solar Alliance, which promotes clean energy worldwide. UN agencies such as UNICEF, WHO, UNHCR, and the IPCC make a lasting impact and have together won 12 Nobel Peace Prizes. India has also contributed remarkable leaders to the UN, including Vijay Lakshmi Pandit and Shashi Tharoor, who are among its proud representatives. United Nations Day reminds us that working together is a true superpower. Even small actions can help build a fairer, safer, and greener world. For more such interesting content, follow us on our digital handles.